This is the craziest story ever in the history of the show. Video captures a moment hundreds of birds fell from the sky and died in Mexico. The flock of yellow-headed blackbirds were migrating south when they suddenly and simultaneously died above the northern city of Chihuahua. Play the clip.
Chihuahua.
This is just...
Need sound or no?
No, you don't need sound.
No?
No sound. It's all explained in the video clip.
If I can
Go
play.
ahead and roll the video clip. Picture this. You have, I don't know, what did they say? Thousands of birds? Did they say hundreds of birds?
Hold on. It said hundreds.
Hundreds of birds? It looks almost like 1,000 birds, I would say. You got to just zoom out.
Look at this.
Zoom out. Yeah.
This is insane.
You could just maximize it, I think. Look at this, okay? Here's the clip. Birds. Boom!
Whoa.
They all fall out of the sky at the same time. Some die instantly. And
Just off
others,
of impact, right?
others kind of fly away.
Whoa.
What?
Like, what's going on?
I'm sure there's an explanation for this. Somebody in the comments, please. What is the explanation for this?
What are you guys thinking?
Yo, birds be crazy. That's what I'm thinking.
No.
That's wild.
There's got to be an external reason for this, right? I mean, it's too many all at once.
Low flying airplane close to a flock of birds, some sort of jet stream physics, wind kind of pushes them down.
Like the wind current, like
I
don't know.
I mean,
Physics.
it's so crazy. How do you?
Electromagnetic, some kind of. But this is full conspiracy. It's 5G. It was 5G.
5G. Sure. Yeah, that's what it was.
5G and Web 3.
No. Listen, I'm joking. Please. All right, I'm joking. But
Wow.
it's one of the most amazing clips. It looks like it's from a Marvel movie or something. Like it doesn't. You question if it's real or not, and then it's the follow-up clip of them all dead, or a large number of them, that makes you. And like, why were some of them able to recover, and others, the impact of whatever it was too much.
Yeah. Oh
But I mean, it's also already amazing that birds can flock together like that in the first place.
Yeah.
Like that they somehow
a school
can
of fish.
coordinate, communicate
Who's leading?
to the extent that they
Yeah.
can flow together, sort of.
Oh my God, that is so crazy.
It doesn't get any easier to interpret. Will, is anybody saying anything in the chat to help us with this? Anything?
James Baker says black cock down.
Yeah, well, that's obvious. Nothing.
Economic inflation.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah, they're probably right.
It's a
There's
glitch.
some funny ones in here.
They're probably
glitch in the
right.
matrix.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a glitch in the matrix. I don't know, man. We need a scientist. We need a biologist. We need a meteorologist. I mean, my instinct is it's some sort of weather thing, some sort of.
I don't
maybe
know.
not a
Like a
lightning,
climate
lightning
change?
strike, a lightning strike, or some sort of.
Yeah,
Yeah,
some people are
something
saying lightning here in the chat.
Yeah, because the way they all went dead instantly, fell instantly.
Yeah. I mean, the impact looks crazy on this.
Let's just do it one more time. It's just so unreal.
Imagine living in that house.
The coolest part is when you see the boom, like they got dumped out of a dump truck.
There's like dust too that kind of sweeps away right here.
Boom. And they're lightweight. So like collectively it's a lot of mass, but each one of them, anyway, wild.
Yeah.